far below the surface of the ocean, beyond the reach of sunlight, the world becomes silent. The water grows darker, colder, heavier. This is the beginning of the Hadal Zone, one of the most extreme environments on Earth. At these depths, pressure becomes almost unimaginable, more than 800 times greater than at the surface. Most life cannot survive here. Yet something does. Drifting slowly through the darkness, a small, pale creature moves with quiet patience, the snailfish. It is not large. It is not fierce. In fact, it looks fragile. Its body is soft, almost gelatinous. Its bones are light. Its skin is nearly transparent, but this gentle appearance hides an extraordinary adaptation because the snailfish lives deeper than any other fish ever discovered. In recent expeditions, scientists observed snailfish swimming more than 8,000 meters below the surface, in the deep trenches of the Pacific Ocean. At these depths, pressure is crushing. Without special adaptations, cells would collapse, proteins would stop functioning. Life would simply fail. But the snailfish carries a remarkable chemical secret inside its body, a group of molecules known as osmolytes. These compounds stabilize the fish's proteins, allowing its cells to continue functioning, even under immense pressure. Instead of fighting the crushing weight of the ocean, the snailfish simply adapts to it. Its soft body contains very little rigid structure, so the pressure cannot easily damage it. In this alien world, flexibility becomes strength. The trench itself is quiet. Sediment slowly drifts through the water like underwater snow. Tiny crustaceans wander across the seabed. Occasionally, a distant shadow moves in the dark, and among them, the snailfish glides gently through the abyss. No sunlight, no sound of waves, only the immense stillness of the deepest ocean. And within that silence, life continues, not with speed, not with power, but with patience. Because even in the most extreme places on Earth, life finds a way to endure.